Hey everyone, Delphi group here with the weekly trading recap. And what can we say? We've had another green week here at Delphi. We have not had a losing week yet this year, knock on wood. So let's just dive into it and get into our Discord, which we call the Delphi room. Again, this is where we do all our magic here in the Delphi room. Okay, so this is a live look at the Delphi room on Discord. Now, I'm not going to spend a lot of time on our weekly performance this week because I really want to get into what our trader Leviathan is doing in the crypto and day trading channel, okay? But anyway, for the week, you can see here off of our Delphi signal, the main brain, if you want to call it that, for our trading. You can see we did over 6% this week on the Delphi signal, okay? If we look at all of our other trades, again, we had a green week here, roughly 29% for the week. Again, the trading percentage is not stellar, but again, all that matters is the green number, right? So look, we are not in normal trading environment. The markets right now are very news driven. So it makes it incredibly difficult for technical traders out there, which is what we are here at Delphi. So you really need to practice risk management now more than ever. It's very important. Allocation, how much you're putting on certain trades, whether they're more risky or not. And being able to cut the losers ahead of time. If the thesis changed to a trade that you're in, okay, then why stay in it? Okay, see so many, novice new traders, they're holding on to their trades until they go to zero, thinking they're going to come back, and you cannot do that. Okay, that is not a formula to winning trading. Okay, and you can see we said this back. We posted this down here. Okay. Back and forth week, but as we always say, this is the number that matters. And if you look below for the week, our winners roughly were $650. Our losers were $380. Okay, so that is why we continue to stay in the green week after week, month after month. Okay, we have no problem cutting a losing trade early or taking a loss on a trade. Nobody's perfect. Okay, you're going to have losing trades. You need to watch the trade, watch the chart, and if the thesis changed, then cut it loose and get out. I mean, we got out of several trades this week earlier than our stop loss because the thesis changed. Okay, so we have no emotion here. And again, if you want to learn more about what we do here at Delphi, come and join us. We have educational channel where all our educational content is here down here. It's called Classroom 101. And everything is in there to put you on the path to becoming not only a profitable trader, but staying that way as well. Okay, so yes, another green week here. Very happy with it. Again, markets it's not an easy trading environment. So considering what we have done here this year, it's been nothing short of miraculous, really. Okay, so now that's out of the way, we need to really highlight what Leviathan is doing in here. Okay, and you can see here, if you look up here on the right, that's where he's at, Leviathan trades. So again, he is our number one day trader, our number one crypto trader. Okay, and he's really converting people to, I don't want to say converting, that's a bad word. He's really getting people into trading crypto. I'm a crypto investor. I don't trade crypto like he does, but to be honest with you, I am starting to look into getting into it because, some of the things he's doing are just, there's no words for him. And a lot of our members who have never traded crypto before are now getting into crypto trading. Okay, so again, he does the day trades just for options. Okay, this is the day trade room. that you can see here by Leviathan. And again, this is, he's posting his trades here, winner here, winner here. Lyft yesterday, he had a winning trade on. So, on top of crypto, he does our day trades as well, right? But again, what he's doing in crypto, there's no words for what he's doing here, okay? Now, and the other thing is, and you're not going to find too many people that do this, is he puts his trade idea out before he takes the trade, okay? And then he takes the trade and he sends or posts screenshots of his trades. Okay, so you can see here all of these are his different accounts on Blowfin, on MEXC. So, the proof is in the pudding. That's what we say here at Delphi, okay? All our trades are documented. They're journalized. His trades, he's posting right out of his account. But again, look at some of the things he's doing here. 73%, 92% rocket ship, right? Small loser here. Then he gets back on the winning track, right? So 64%, 37%, 82%, 115%. Look at that monster winner, right? Complete explosion on that one. 145%. So, again, there's no words. And again, the guy never sleeps. A lot of our members tell him that. He's in here, putting all his trades out, right? So, again, anyone out there who is into crypto trading and is trading crypto right now, you really are missing the boat. That you really need to get on board with us here, because if you enjoy crypto trading, there is nobody out there anywhere close to what he's doing right here. Okay, look at some of these trades. So, and if you're not into crypto trading and you want to look at this, 140% on that trade. If you want to get into crypto trading, come aboard, join the community here, and start trading. Okay, so again, he's just absolutely crushing it. Okay, and this was this morning. He's putting trades in here this morning, so you can see this uni trade he had got up to 100% already. So huge shout out to him. And like we said, we're in here for our community. Okay, this is where we're here. This is what we do, and our testimonials keep nonstop coming in. Okay, you can see here, Big Win Willie, following our UOA channel. Again, our UOA channel, we posted our UOA recap, just recently. So check that out. But a lot of our members are using the UOA channel now because it's just been incredible. You can see what he says here, seriously hitting this whole year, it seems like, and just crushing it here on GDX and GLD. Okay, so congrats to him. He's crushing it. And then patience. We highlighted patience in our UOA recap. All these trades are off the UOA channel. IBID, IBIT. PRCH. Just a complete explosion here, 400%, right? And then he cashed out on run at 60%. So, doing amazing things here. And then again, he is shouting out to Leviathan here. Okay, you can see he was not a crypto trader. Okay, he spent a couple months watching and learning, and then he started to trade. And again, look at what he's doing here from Leviathan, right? Almost 140% on that trade alone, right there, right? And then he, traded this stock here, this trade here, 124%. Michael in here also trading the UOA. It looks like he traded the same as, Big Win Willie. So, again, our community keeps crushing it. And, here you go. We're going to end it with this. What can you say about this crypto trade here on TRB? Okay, again, that guy, this is somebody who may or may not have been trading crypto, but look at what Leviathan is doing for our community. 615%. You can call it a rocket ship. You can call it an explosion. You can call it kaboom, whatever you want to call it. But again, this is what we're doing here. So again, please like, subscribe, us here, get the word out. Again, we're here to help traders, become profitable and stay profitable. And again, if you're in the crypto trading, you really, really need to get on board with us, because we have a guy here who nobody anywhere can even touch right now. Okay. So thanks. Have a great weekend, and we'll talk to you soon.